So hi guys, this is Nikita. Welcome to my channel, The BioBrain. Today, I'll be sharing with you all my NEET 2026 experience. This was my first attempt along with my 12th standard. So, without further ado, let's move on to today's topic. I started preparing for NEET in the 11th grade, just like most of y'all. However, after the NEET 2025 incident, I was quite skeptical about it all. So, moving on to the night before my big NEET 2026 examination, I obviously could not sleep as I was very tensed. So, I decided to revise the biology NCERT and solve some physics ke questions. After which I slept at around 3:30 am, which in hindsight was not a very good decision as I was quite sleepy in the morning. So, the next morning I woke up at around 8:30 am, got dressed, had my breakfast, took all the essentials and left for the exam center, which is almost an hour away from my house. I had decided to revise some important diagrams of the biology NCERT on the way there. However, due to my severe motion sickness, I could not do so. Eventually, my motion sickness got so bad that I had to literally stop and puke right before my meeting. After all this delay, we reached the center around 2 hours before the exam actually starts. I got all my security checkings and biometrics done. I reached the actual classroom around 1.5 hours before the exam starts. Around 5 minutes before 2, we got handed out our question papers. We were asked to open the seal and read the papers. I remember my hands literally shaking as I was trying to open the seal. It took me around 2 to 3 minutes just to open that seal. After which I started off with the biology section as biology was my strongest subject. It seemed quite easy to me, but it did take a little longer time than I anticipated. After completing my entire biology section, I moved over to chemistry. My strategy for chemistry was quite simple. I was going to solve all the questions that were easy first and then move on to the difficult ones. At around 2:55 pm, I rechecked all my answers and decided to mark up the OMR sheet for the chemistry and the biology section. At around the same time, the invigilators had asked us to fill up all the prerequisites for the exam, which wasted some of my time, but I did complete my OMR filling till 3:05 or 3:10 pm. After I finished marking my OMR sheet, I decided to continue with the chemistry section, which being calculation heavy, took me again a little longer than I anticipated. I started my physics section at around 4 pm. I had an hour to solve physics, however that was not enough time for me as physics was my weakest subject. I could not solve all the questions and had to leave some questions behind. I still tried to solve as many questions as I could, but as the bell rang, I submitted the paper with a smile on my face and left the exam hall. My parents were waiting outside in the scorching heat. I went outside with a smile on my face, told them how the exam went, and then we went home. This sums up my NEET 2026 experience. To know more about my journey, my result, and my future plans, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye and study well.